I'm stuck in the wood.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, I'm the last. Holy shit. Can't see where I was going.
Is the Winnebago going to be third? Oh, that one didn't even pass the grass. So I'm second. You didn't even pass the grass. There you go.
I flipped, I did a U-turn.
Oh, you did a U-turn. So I'm third. Winnebago's third.
I didn't go 20.
The gold bullets is last.
Uh-oh. Yo, man, we can't connect pairs, eh? Goodbye, soldier.
I'm already done.
Oh, your name's going on it, not me.
So we're going to put Bomber in whose name?
Alex.
Alex.
Country.
Alex is
Don't put
Bomber.
Grizzly, though.
Country.
I'm joking. Yeah, right.
Do it.
Yeah, right.
I just did it. I sacrificed.
You got nothing on your truck.
I sacrificed it.
Bounced pretty good, though.
Yeah, it got a good bounce out of that.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys all ready to go forward? I got a camera, set it up. I'm going to drive off the bridge and go off to the side like that. You guys can go forward. Oh, I'm already recording.
See, that's what you need to get on your phone.
Okay.
Just stuck around, too. No, no. Hey, no.
What's going on with the traffic over there?
Slight delay.
He's too scared to drive his truck off the side.
I don't want my name there. Thank you,
Everything's so quiet.
Look at that thing go, man. It's hard. It goes pretty quick.
I'm stuck in the wood. What are you guys pushing each other for?
Come on.
He's trying to cut me off.
Oh no, somebody left a pile of wood here. No, my bumper's hanging on it. I gotta take it sideways. Oh, here comes the big tires there, eh? Can I do it sideways? No. I can't get through. I can't get through. There we go. When in doubt, throttle out. There's a big giant in the way.
You first or last? First after me.
Long wheelbase coming through.
What? I'm hungry. Oh yeah. That's when we smoke Mother Nature's herds.
The Camaro in the way, but it's okay. I'm pushing it.
Oh, sorry guys. I was taking a picture. Oh!
Oh, I gotta go on the other side.
It was on for a bit though when he fell over.
Fender. Obviously.
Obviously not.
Here in the background. What? Oh shit.
That's a lot of weight.
It's okay, we had a few beers and finished it off.
Wobbles too much. There you go.
No, he made it through one shot and you didn't even make it through.
Me?
Yeah.
He's not done yet.
Yeah, not done yet.
Yeah, lowering that flag.
Come on, tires. Grip. Something is grabbing me. Those friggin' little. Yeah.
You got snacks, Alex?
Yeah, I knew I was gonna bottom out.
It's a birthday cake, Brett. That's the best. I'm starving.
A lot of bouncy here for these small little tires. This thing is friggin' heavy.
I eat all these.
Oh, bumper again. Yeah, the bumper gets snagged on those little branches, eh? That just fit. Oh, there's another truck there in my way. Same truck again.
You guys ready?
Look who made it. Oh, spoke too soon? Oh no, you did it. Here comes the bomber.
Put the signs in. Sick. Oh, here's our course. We get to make it through.
How come we can't do
There we go. We'll slowly get there.
Controls are weird, eh?
There we go. Now you got to bring the dirt down.
Maybe say cheese.
Good job. I'm taking a video. Who's the hard worker here? Look who's leaning on the rake. Look who's leaning on the rake, and look who's working.
Yeah. I put my kids to work.
Now this is what you call child labor.
That's hilarious.
Good job.
Good job, baby.
Looking good there, Steven. Yeah,
We were talking about your mustache.
eh? Good job, buddy.
Have fun there. That was it. I got my
Filming the whole
It's not
time.
even filming.
We're all trying to be quiet. So I'm filming the whole time.
That's true. It's not filming anymore.
Yeah, let's give you your phones. It's not filming.
Timed out.
Here we go. Bomber's going to try it for the first time. Let's see how good of a driver he is.
Alex,
So-
Grizzly,
It's a white Alex from Grizzly RC.
4-wheel drive.
Four-wheel drive. Yeah, Grizzly four-wheel drive RC or Grizzly?
Grizzly RC 4-wheel drive.
Okay, Grizzly RC four-wheel drive.
B-Max is here. Who's B-Max?
Yeah, you guys picked my own nickname without even letting me know.
You like it?
Hey, yeah, that's alright.
And that's a fail for the first one.
That's it.
That's it. Let's see if the SCX10 is going to do any better.
I hope so.
Sometimes it's just a driver, eh?
Yeah. See? It's crushing the chips.
Watch where your front tires are.
It's the only time I'll be able to do that. Something wrong with your motor, eh?
I have no power.
No power. What could that be? You really just forget. Nice. Good job. You went backwards.
I knew that was going to be an issue there. Whoa! That's a lot of power!
Gotta test the power a little bit.
Oh, it's too bad Jan's not here.
You gotta adjust the programming on the ESC on this one. I have no drag brakes.
Yeah. We're gonna take out the mascot.
We need to fill up those holes there.
Yeah, we will with that little heel. Yeah, heel pipe.
So small tires won't be able to do that. This is where he jammed up last time. His long wheelbase, exactly the same spot. That truck is so smooth. Now don't stop. Ah. Whoa! Yeah, we're gonna have to fix that. It's a little tough with those holes. Yeah, because you really got to line it up. Oh, there you go. Oh, you went crooked at the end.
Yeah.
You weren't looking at your front tires.